In this video, we will set up the X1C carbon. We'll connect the power cable to the printer and install the spool holder. Ensure the power plug is inserted gently to maintain the integrity of the connection. We will install the spool holder. Before installing it, note that there are 2 screws behind the printer which are labeled. Remove these 2 screws first. After that, take the spool holder and use the 2 screws to install it in its designated place behind the printer. The PTFE tube should be positioned under the spool holder, as shown in the video.